Welcome to another Jeda AI tutorial. Today we're looking at writer recipes, a fast way to create structured write-ups directly on your AI whiteboard. Open the AI menu and go to the Writer tab. Browse or search for the template you need. Let's choose a simple writing recipe. The fields may change depending on the recipe, but the core options stay familiar. Choose Document if you want the write-up inside a styled visual container. Choose Text if you want clean, plain text on the canvas. Now click Generate, and it creates the write-up directly on the AI canvas. One AI model is great when you want speed, but if the quality matters, maybe a landing page, pitch, or client-facing message, turn on Multi-LLM Agent and choose up to 3 models. If you choose an aggregation model, it combines the strongest thinking into one cleaner version. You may keep improving without starting over. Select the text and use AI Plus to expand the section. You may also go the other way with AI Vision. Select the write-up, use Vision Transform, and ask Jeda AI to turn it into a mind map, matrix, flowchart, or sticky notes, so your writing is not trapped as text. It can become a visual thinking asset, which is where it gets spicy, politely spicy. Double-click the text and edit it directly. You may rewrite lines, add a better headline, or type notes anywhere on the canvas. Use the formatting tools to change font family, size, color, bold, etc. So if one section needs to scream important, you set that. For document-style outputs, sticky notes, and objects, you can also change the shape, border, and more. When the write-up is ready, you can download it for sharing or reuse. Select the content or use the workspace download options. And that's how you use Jeda AI writer recipes to generate write-ups, improve them with AI, turn them into visuals, style them on the canvas, and download the final output. Happy writing!